Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. This is going to be an off-the-cuff video with me showing you guys clips from a live stream I did with my brother over the weekend. Within that live stream, we changed the oil on his girlfriend's 2019 Honda Civic, which is a 1.5 liter turbo. Now going into this work, I was told that they ran the oil in there for a couple of thousand miles, so I didn't expect to see much, but quickly into the job, I learned that they ran the oil for 15,000 miles. And so we flushed everything out, we put in 0W20, Valvoline Restore and Protect, and then we cut open the oil filter. Prior to this oil change, his girlfriend took the car to Valvoline Instant Oil Change, and it looks like they put on what appears to be a Hummel filter, just from the design. But look at that pleating. I mean, it's twisted up and it is just saturated. It's hard for me not to imagine that it went into bypass mode. I mean, look at all the sludge. And as I was cutting into the pleating, it was really hard because it was so sludged up that it took a lot of effort just to cut through. And here I'm pulling out the pleating, and I mean, I know the quality isn't great because this is from a live stream, but look at all that dirt on there.
Like, this oil filter was fighting for its life the last...
Bro, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
So here I used an Allen wrench to scratch against the filter media, and you can see just how much of that is sludged up. I've never seen an oil filter like this. And then in this clip, my brother's pouring out the oil that he collected in the green receptacle into our collection pan. The best way to describe it is muddy. It is really thick for what should be a 0W20 oil. Now, she currently has the Purelator 1 oil filter in her car, and the plan is to run that thing for 1,000 miles before swapping it out without changing the oil. From there, we're going to have her run the car for another 4,000 miles before changing both the oil and the oil filter. You know, I don't like telling people what to do, but if you're running extended oil changes, I mean, take a look at this. Like, would you want this really thick and dirty oil running inside your engine? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150, and I'm inviting you to join me on this journey. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.